Welcome to our Hospital Care Chatbot demo. This chatbot is designed to make it easier for patients to explore healthcare services and book appointments with doctors. It begins with a short welcome message followed by a main menu that offers 7 service options: book appointment, appointment status, emergency help, upload prescription, contact support, feedback, and about the hospital. These are generic industry options, but it can be customized as per an individual's business needs and requirements. When a user selects the upload prescription option, the bot prompts them to upload their prescription in the required format. As soon as the user uploads the file, the chatbot instantly generates an acknowledgement message confirming that the prescription has been received for further processing. The bot also provides an upload again option, allowing users to replace the document if the wrong file was submitted. This ensures a smooth, quick, and error-free experience for patients submitting prescriptions online. Now that we have explored the chatbot preview, let's look at how to install a template in ihakimi. From the dashboard, navigate to the template store. Here, you will find a wide range of multi-industry templates. Select the template you would like to install and you will be taken to the installation screen. On this page, you will see a short summary of the template and its basic content. Click Next Step to continue. In the next step, you can either choose an existing bot or create a new one. After selecting the bot, copy the template you want to install and click Create Bot. A new folder containing the installed template will automatically appear inside your selected or newly created bot. Now, let's step inside the flow builder. This is where our start node resides, the point from which every chatbot conversation begins. From here, we access the welcome node and the main menu options, all of which can be customized based on your business needs. Each menu option opens its own individual flow. Within these flows, you can easily integrate Google Sheets to maintain patient records, manage pipelines, and keep your flow organized. This structure makes it easy to create rich, interactive, and fully customizable chatbot experiences. And that completes our walkthrough of Hospital Care Chatbot, template installation process, and flow builder overview.